Hi lovelies, welcome back once again to Viva's Kitchen. It's been a minute, but today I am back with another refreshing and extremely healthy pinamint juice, and I hope you like it. Please stay tuned to the end as always and be inspired. Please don't forget to also like, share, comment on the video to support your girl, and as always I will appreciate it. And if it's your first time here, I hope you'll be inspired enough to join this amazing family. Without further ado, lovelies, let's dive right into the video. Yeah? So here I've got my pineapple. I'm going to wash it nicely under running water, and I'll come back and peel off the skin. So here we go. Beautiful. This pineapple is so juicy and is so sweet, just as I wanted, and I'm loving it. So I'll put the skin on the side for later use, okay? I love me some homemade, natural, delicious juices, and you all know that because I have a lot of juice videos on my channel. This time around, this pinamint juice was inspired by Barber's Kitchen for All. Lovelies, the first time I saw the video, I said to myself, ooh, this is so refreshing, healthy and nutritious. So today I'm here sharing with you a recipe from Barber's Kitchen. Of course, I've added my own twist to it, but I got the inspiration from Barber, and she makes amazing recipes. I'll leave the link of her channel in my description box. Check it out. Subscribe and follow her channel for more inspirational videos, yeah? And to support your girl, please don't forget to share this video for others to see. Don't forget to comment and let me know your thoughts about the recipe. Also like, and I really appreciate it. We are all done, so I'll put them aside. Next I've got my mint. Next I've got my ginger and lemon. Again I've got coconut water, and I love the addition of it to this juice. Next, I've got my cardamon pods, the green one, and grain of selim, all for flavor, and it's totally optional here. Now in the blender, I'm adding my pineapples. Next, my mint and ginger. Yes, and next I'm adding my coconut water. Ooh, lovely. This is a game changer. Okay, so next I'm going ahead to add my lemon juice, which you can as well use lime juice, or you can even add both and you will be good. Yeah, these ingredients put together make a very delicious and refreshing juice. So lovelies, don't just watch the video, okay, but give it a try and thank me later. It's now time to blend until nice and smooth. Okay, and if it's your first time ever seeing my video, hey, you are warmly welcome. I would love to have you here. So kindly do your girl a favor by subscribing to this channel to enjoy more of my recipes. And don't forget to also smash on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. It's now time to strain to separate the juice from the pulp. Alright? And I'm using chiffon cloth. You can as well use the nut milk bag or even a strainer which has tiny holes. Alright, but the chiffon cloth is very good because it's able to just separate it properly without seeing any bits and pieces in the juice. And that's why I love using it. Okay, so now check the pulp out. You can discard it and then you'll be good to go. Next, I'm going ahead to scoop all the foaming substance out, just like this, or you can as well leave it for it to die out, and that will take longer. So next, I'm adding vanilla and honey for more flavor. But lovelies, to be honest, you can still enjoy this juice without any extra flavor. But I love me some extras, okay? And you can see these extras I'm adding are very healthy. This is so good. In the jar, I've added my ice cubes, I've added my lemon peels, I've added my grain of selim cardamom pods, and some mint, all for flavor. Lovelies, I love this juice, and I hope you give this a try and thank me later. For more of my videos, please follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, Be good, take care, and enjoy. Toodles. Peace out.